guys, what's up? It's Naomiindio here, aka Mary, and today I'm going to be filming a video for you guys. Today I'm going to be giving you guys 20 YouTube video ideas for your channel. And I just recently made another video just like this, but it wasn't summer video ideas. It was 50 YouTube video ideas, just YouTube video ideas for your channel. So if you guys want to go check that out. So let's get right into this video because I don't like to have a long intro. So let's just get right into this video. So the first video idea that I have for you guys is a summer morning routine. A summer morning routine is so easy to film. All you have to do is just show what you do in the morning, how you get ready for the day, and show your makeup routine if you have a makeup routine, or show your skin routine inside of it. For my second video idea, I have a summer bucket list. And I actually never did a summer bucket list before, but you guys should do it because it sounds really extremely fun. For my third video idea that I have for you guys, it is a swimsuit try on haul. And all you have to do is just like buy a bunch of baby suits. You don't even have to buy that many. All you gotta do is just buy some like off Fashion Over, but off anywhere. For my fourth idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer lookbook. And all you have to do is just pick out some outfits that look summery out of your closet. You can buy some new outfits and that's summery and just do a summer lookbook. And a summer lookbook is basically like all you gotta do is get summer outfits and model them. And you should go like to different places for the lookbook, and this makes the video more interesting when you have different places for your background drops. That's what it's called, background drops. I think it just makes the video more interesting. So make sure you go a couple of places for the lookbook. Like every outfit you should change a new location for the next outfit, new location. Next outfit, new location. This video that I have for you guys is things to do while you're bored in summer. You can record a video about that and just do some things that you actually like do and show them, oh, you can do this while if you're bored during the summer, because a lot of people be bored and not knowing what to do. Just give them ideas of what to do while they're bored in a house during summer. For my sixth video idea that I have for you guys is a summer glow up video. You could do a summer transformation, a summer glow up video, or you could title it either one of those. People love videos like that. Well, I love videos like that. I actually watch videos like that. So all you have to do is just like go get your eyebrows done. Like I need mine done, but I'm not going nowhere because Corona. But you can go get your eyebrows done. You can go get your some eyelash extensions if you extension. You could get a facial. You can go get a facial. You could just glow up, summer glow up. Do what you do to get the glow up. For my seventh video idea I have for you guys, it is a summer favorites video. I actually just made a favorites video. It was not a summer video. My favorites May video, it was just my favorites May video. So if you guys like videos like that, go ahead and check that out. Summer favorites. So all you have to do is go around your house and look at some stuff that you're currently using because it's about to be summer. When is summer actually? So the first day of summer is June 20th. So summer is right around the corner, guys. So just do all you gotta do is go pick some products up from around your house and do a favorites video about your summer favorites. Like what do you use during the summer? Like what skincare products you use for the summer? What hair products you use for the summer? Like if your hair is sweaty, your face is sweaty, like what do you use? What types of wipes, facial wipes you use? What types of stuff that do you use for your favorites? The eighth video idea that I have for you guys is a summer makeup routine. So if you wear makeup or if you do makeup, anything, you can just do a summer makeup routine. And a lot of people watch that. So go ahead and record your video, your summer makeup routine, because I'll watch it probably. Comment below if you if for any of these videos. For any of these videos, if you're about to make them, comment below and I'll support you. I'll come to your channel, watch your video, because I like watching YouTube videos. I watch a lot of YouTube. I actually watch a lot of Netflix too, but I'll still watch a YouTube video. Just comment down below and tell me if you want me to check out your video that you're going to make off of this video. For my ninth video idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer then and now. A lot of people make these videos and they're quite old, but I feel like it can come back to life if somebody just makes it and it like could go viral and stuff like that. But what you got to do, what did you used to do in summer back then and what you do now in the summer? So that's basically a then and now summer video. So do a summer then and now. You can even do some, inside the video, you can take some pictures of old summer photos that you can remake and stuff like that. Remaking summer photos or something like that. For my 10th summer video that I have for you guys, it is summer pranks. So you can pull a bunch of summer pranks on people, but you can pull a bunch of summer pranks. You can Google summer pranks and there'll come up a bunch of summer pranks for you to pull on people in your house or on your loved ones. All right, moving on to my 11th video idea. Okay, moving on to the 11th video idea that I have for you guys. It is a summer vlog. So all you have to do is just vlog your life, basically. Vlog what you're doing during the summer. And it could be you could do a daily vlog, or you could do a vlog just to post once. Just to post once. If you're a vlogger, you could just do a summer vlog. It's literally so easy because all you gotta do is just vlog what you're doing. But don't be boring. The 12th video idea that I have for you guys, it is actually exactly like one of the hacks. For my 12th video that I have for you guys, it is exactly like one of the video ideas that I just had for you guys a couple of numbers ago. It is a nighttime routine. It is just like a morning routine, but all you got to do is just show basically what you do for your nighttime routine for the summer. So summer nighttime routine. For my 13th video idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer life hacks video. So all you gotta do is some summer life hacks. I don't want these hacks to be like so fast. That's why I be trying to like have some to explain about it, but I don't know. For the 14th, I should have made it 50. So for the 14th video idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer DIY. You could do a summer DIY shirt, or just do any summer DIYs. You can even Google some summer DIYs and try them out, because DIYs are fun to do. For my 15th video idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer haul. So a summer haul, all you gotta do is just go shopping and buy a bunch of summer stuff. It could be swimming suits, it could be shorts, it could be crop tops or tank tops, or wait, is that the same thing? It could be anything that's just summery. So go ahead and do a summer haul of what you bought, or a summer try on haul, because I don't know, I feel like I'd rather watch a summer try on haul than rather watching a person just do a haul. But I like both. I'll watch a haul and I'll watch a try on haul. For my 16th video idea that I have for you guys is a water balloon challenge. All you have to do is buy some Bunchios or some balloons from anywhere and just have a water balloon fight with. If you don't have any friends, just have it by yourself, you know? Just shoot it at the air and stuff like that. But if you got some friends, then have a water balloon fight with your friend and stuff like that. Because I ain't got no friends. For my 17th video idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer outfits video. So basically, people like to see what they should wear. So basically, do a video about 20 summer outfits that you put together, and then like make sure you show them the stores to where to buy this stuff at, because a lot of people like be going on these videos for like what they should wear during the summertime. So just do a 20 summer outfits. That's what it's called. For my 18th video idea that I have for you guys, it is a summer playlist. And y'all all know how playlists go. So all you have to do is just get music that you're listening to currently, like I said, because summer is literally around the corner. It's June 20th. It's June 13th today. And just get the summer video. What is it called? Summer music that you're obsessed with, and just throw it into a video and record and get turned up to the playlist, you know? And for my 19th video idea that I have for you guys, it is I gotta look back at my notes. Okay. For my 19th, okay, I'm not even gonna repeat this. So the next thing is a summer hairstyle. So you could show like 20 summer hairstyles, or just summer hairstyles, you can name it, or just do summer hairstyles. You could show, I don't know, it's just hairstyles basically, but you could do like a video showing summer hairstyles, and you can name it some summer hairstyles. So like just do that, do a video about that if you like doing hair or showing how to do hair. So yeah. 20th video idea. For my 20th video idea that I have for you guys, it is a day in my life summer edition. And all you gotta do is basically vlog, just like the vlog, just like a daily vlog, but just name it Day in My Life Summer Edition. It's just like a vlog, literally vlog, do what you're doing. Do what you're doing during that day. Or you could do what I eat in a day summer. What I eat in a day summer. But yeah, that's just basically the same video ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to always love yourself, forget what others say, choose happy, and everything happens for a reason. That's my favorite thing to say. I don't know, everything just happens for a reason. Remember to be kind, be nice, be positive, don't judge people, be yourself, and bye. Okay, bye.